Welcome to Gentech, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note: installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA, ASA/NZS 3500 standards, and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code. Water quality. Flush your lines before installing any Gentech products. And if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free of debris. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components, parts are included. Attach the flow regulator to the correct end of the body, ensuring it faces the right direction. Ensure the filter is in place. Insert the O-ring into the body extension and apply Loctite to the thread of the tap body. Flush water lines. Apply adequate amount of thread tape. Remove PVC coating from the flange and place in position. Then screw on the tap body, ensuring the outlet is facing downwards. A strap wrench may be required. Now we are ready to turn on the water supply and ensure no leaks evident. Activate to verify operation. Attach the appropriate coloured indicator according to the requirement. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact Gentech on +612 93194 422 or email at info@gentechaustralia.com.au.